Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a super cute logo pillow. This is what we're going to be making today. First, you're going to cut the logo that you want to make into a pillow out of a shirt. You can do any shape, you can do a square or rectangle, whatever shape it is. And then while you cut it, make sure you're also cutting the back of the shirt. And if it has like another logo or something you don't want to see, you can always just flip it the other way, so it'll be the same color. But I think I'm going to just keep it how it is. So, first, you're going to glue together the two pieces. And I'm just gonna do a little bit by little. So let's start out with that, because I don't want it to dry too quick. So let's make sure we line it up right. And then you're going to keep doing this all the way around your fabric. Make sure you don't do the whole thing. You want to leave a small opening for later. Just like this. I glued together all the parts except for one small but not too small opening in the shirt. And there might be some extra edges or anything like that that you're gonna wanna cut off, but I suggest wait until the end to do that. Next, what you're going to do is stuff your shirt. After you have enough stuffing, you're going to glue your hole shut. After you finish closing your pillow, what you're going to do is trim any extra glue or anything that's hanging out that you don't want to be there. Now that I finished trimming, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Bye!